What up?
Here's a YT. Here's a YT.
Hey, 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 hey. We're at Tannery Knobs.
Is it more than one knob or is it Tannery knob?
Tannery Knobs.
It's called knobs, but there's only one knob here.
Multiple knobs.
Like we're standing on the only knob.
Only one knob. Those are some knobs over there.
Yeah, but those aren't Tannery. Those are mountain knobs over there.
That's technically not Tannery.
First thing, we're gonna get geared up.
Geared up.
Knee pads and stuff, you know. And then we're gonna go session the Cumberland Brat jumps. Oh, before he showed up, there was some skateboarders that tried to ride, and then that guy over there told him to leave.
Busted.
And it was funny because it was one skater and then a dude that wasn't a skater. It was like his friend that was coming to watch him. And when they had to leave, the friend was the one that got mad and peeled out leaving.
Hate when that happens.
I mean, yep. I don't have the mic on here, so it's gonna sound like crap. I should probably get the mic.
Get the mic.
All right, now we got the mic on, so it's gonna sound better. Are you gonna follow me? All right, let's go.
I might just go like directly behind you. Like.
Okay. You ready? He said, dropping.
Run it.
Let's do it. I feel like we both did pretty good that time. I'm gonna move the camera.
Yo, check this. You can see where I landed. Yeah, you see me locking it up right through there?
Yeah, let's get down here and take a look at this. Yeah, you cleaned it good.
Definitely.
But you definitely slid.
Yeah, I
don't know if you can
because
see that on
I
the
was
camera,
heading straight
but
for that bank. It
there's-
got a little bit scurry.
That line right there. And this is a steep bank. If you come in too far left, you're gonna hit on this bank.
It's OV.
And it's you're a goner. You're done. New location.
I think I just need to stand straight up right before I hit it.
Yeah, that'll help. Camera's in a new location now.
All right,
Let's do it.
drop it.
Woo! Oh yeah! Jackson and I both cleared the double a lot quicker than I thought we were going to. I don't know what now. Maybe we should move to the next jump. Or maybe we should just hit this one a few more times and then move to the next jump. Let's just do that. Whoa! Okay. What's up with this?
I think the sun moves.
I just about died. Jackson is okay. He's good now. He's ready to send this next one. I'm gonna set you guys up to where you can see this jump. So let's go take a look at it. It's a decent sized tabletop. So it's not a good long gap. I mean, I'm standing here and then, you know, the lip is like over there. But it's lippy. Now we're going to do it again.
So I'm coming through here on this line,
Yeah.
and I was way too far out right, and I thought about what you said about
Pulling to the left.
sending it into the weeds.
Oh,
and
yeah, yeah.
That doesn't sound too cool.
No, I don't like the idea of sending it into the weeds. The point was to clean the double, and we both cleaned the double. That took us no time. And now I think we both cleaned this. So now it's time to go somewhere else. Whee! Woo! All right, we're gonna go check out Panorama. We might drop in a Panorama. I've seen people hit some gaps going into this trail. There's several steps. Now you can see it. Right down the middle of this is probably the best line. You can see a lot of people come down and just come off on this thing and then scoot down through the side there, which they're probably trying to get Strava times or something, but you know, I'm thinking to gap off that rock right there, over this, and then down to that. That's kind of gnarly. I'm not gapping past the second step. I'm gonna gap like, and then, yeah. Oh, my butt.
Yeah, dude.
That was absolutely terrifying. Yeah, I'm not doing that again for a bit. We're gonna go Session Mountain Express. I wonder where they are. I thought Jackson was right behind me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This isn't good. You good?